Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SMS marketing with SimpleTexting for property owners, full guide step by step clearly. To download SMS marketing with SimpleTexting for property owners, begin by visiting the SimpleTexting website. Click on the sign up button to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After signing up, log in to your SimpleTexting account. Navigate to the Contacts section in the dashboard. Here, you can create a new list specifically for your property owners. Click on Add Contacts to compile a list of all your property owners' phone numbers. Ensure you have their consent to send SMS marketing messages. Once you have your contacts added, head to the Messages tab. Select Create Message to draft your SMS marketing campaign. Craft your message with a clear and concise call to action. Utilize the available tools to personalize your message, making it more engaging for the recipients. After drafting, click on Preview to review how your message will appear to the recipients. Make any necessary adjustments for clarity and impact. When satisfied, proceed to schedule your message for a specific date and time or send it immediately. Monitor the performance of your SMS campaign in the Reports section. This will provide insights into open rates and engagement levels. Use this data to refine future messages and improve your marketing strategy. By following these steps, property owners can effectively utilize SMS marketing with SimpleTexting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.